If you want to get paid on time and maintain a professional billing process, sending invoices in Xero is an essential step. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to send an invoice in Xero step by step, even if you have zero experience. Xero allows you to send invoices directly to customers via email with just a few clicks. To get started, log into your Xero account and go to the business menu. From there, select Invoices. You will see a list of all your invoices, including draft, approved, and paid ones. Next, create a new invoice or open an existing draft invoice. If you are creating a new one, click on New Invoice and enter all the required details such as customer name, items, amounts, and due date. Once done, review the invoice carefully. Before sending, you need to approve the invoice. Click on Approve or Approve an email. Approval confirms that the invoice is final and ready to be sent to the customer. After approval, click on Email. Xero will open an email preview where you can customize the message. You can edit the subject line and add a personalized message for your customer. Make sure the customer's email address is correct. You can also add CC or BCC recipients if needed. This is useful for keeping records or informing other team members. Once everything is ready, click Send. The invoice will be emailed to your customer with a link to view or download it. If you have online payment options enabled, the customer can pay directly from the invoice. You can track whether the invoice has been sent, viewed, or paid from the invoice dashboard. This helps you follow up with customers if needed. In short, sending an invoice in Xero involves creating or opening an invoice, approving it, customizing the email, and sending it to the customer. Now that you understand the process, start sending invoices in Xero and manage your billing more efficiently. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.